All, welcome back to my channel. Hi Ready. In today's video, we are going to see something that's very much important. We are going to see hands-on coding on multiple linear regression. Without any delay, let's get started. I believe every one of you are on the track and you guys completed all the videos that I have posted till date. If you missed out any videos, make sure you complete them by just clicking on the playlist. And for this video, I'll be providing you with the playlist, a link on the description. You can just check it out. For today's session, we are going to see an end-to-end machine learning workflow using a Kaggle dataset, house price prediction. This is actually an advanced regression techniques using project. But here, what we are going to do is, we are just going to use multiple linear regression and explore these data set. What are all the steps that we are going to do here? The first step is importing libraries. Next, we'll be loading the data set, then understanding the data set. In today's session, we are going to give so much of importance to this particular step of understanding the data set. Then we'll be doing data cleaning, EDA, feature selection, training, testing and splitting, then training the multiple linear regression model, followed by that making predictions and finally evaluating model's performance. So this coding could be like easy for you to understand. That is how I wrote this. Because if you are a beginner, you might feel confusing if I give hard lines of coding. So that's why I made it easier. The first step is importing the necessary libraries. So for this project, these are all the libraries I need. NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas is for handling the table dataset, Matplotlib and Seaborn is for creating visualizations. Then I need to split my dataset, right? That's why I'm importing this train test split from sklearn.model selection. I'm going to use a model linear regression, but multiple linear regression also needs the same library. And finally, I'll need to evaluate the model, mean squared error and R-square score. So for that, I am importing these two libraries. First step is loading my dataset, right? So how will you load the dataset? Just go to the folder option. I'll be giving a link for train.csv, this actual dataset link. You just go to description and download it. Click on this option. Search for train CSV under the folder where you stored it. I stored that under downloads option in my laptop. So now I'm just clicking on OK. So it will be uploaded here. Yeah, now it is uploaded. When I just click on run all cells, it will be running all my cells. So for you, you need to run it one by one. When you are listening to this video, what you have to do is you need to complete one cell. You need to complete that part, pause the video. Then you need to move to another cell. You could even take screenshots if necessary. The next step is loading the data set. So for loading it, what you will be doing generally, you need to create a variable name. You might be df or data. Then I'm giving which is equal to pd.readcsv. This is the syntax I'll be using for reading my CSV file. This is the name of my CSV file that exactly uploaded here. You should not make any mistakes in this. You should give this inside a single quote. Then when I give data.head, it will be showing my first 5 rows. When I need to know how many rows and columns are there in my data set, this is a multiple linear regression based project. So there are possibilities that it might have so many rows and columns. So just to count them, what I need to give is, I need to give data.shape. It will be showing my number of rows and columns. Tell me what is the number of rows and columns that I have? Just by looking into it. Yes, exactly. 1460 rows and 81 columns. If I want to see all these columns, what I need to do? When I give data.head, some columns are hidden, right? This is the default setting. We can't see everything. So if I want to see all the columns name, what I could give is, I just need to give data.columns. When I give that, I'll be seeing all the columns. I have 81 columns. How I'm going to work on this project. Yes, this is how your real multiple linear regression based projects will look like. So the first step that you need to do is understanding the data set. Now we are going to spend some time in understanding the data set. First column that we do have is ID. What is this? In this house pricing data set, this ID is all about, actually it is actually a house pricing data set. Whenever the house is for sale, based on which particular property, which particular characteristics, the cost of the house is being fixed. That is what we are going to work on. So the first column name is ID. What is it? It is unique ID number given for each house. Second column is MS subclass. This describes about type of house construction. For example, it is one story or two story. So what I would suggest you guys to do is, if you want to learn this, just do this data.columns. You will be getting these many column names, right? You just upload this to any AI model. It will be giving you a description. You can ask what this means. It will be giving you the explanation. You can just copy and paste it in your coding cell, or what you could do for learning it efficiently is just listen to what I'm saying. Pause the video every single time after I explain the name of the columns and take notes. This is how you sincerely learn this type of projects. You should have a domain knowledge, right? For getting a domain knowledge, this is the step you should do. Okay, AMS subclass is about type of house construction. It might be one story or two story or three story. How many stories we do have? It's like first floor, second floor, likewise. Then MS zoning, type of area where the house is located. If it is a residential area or it is a commercial area, or where exactly it is located. Then lot frontage, length of the land that faces in the street. When you see that house on the street, how long, how much distance that you have exactly from the street. Lot area, it is about total size of the land. It is like cent, but here it is square feet. Next, street. What type of road access to the house? It might be paved road, it might be a gravel road, it might be like a shortcut road, or it might be the main road, or what it is. Then alley, type of alley access behind the house. Lot shape is about shape of the land. So if it is a regular one or irregular one, or what. So some land might be straight, some land might be slanting likewise. So what we need to do is we need to put so much of sand or soil over it to build a house on top of it. So that's what this shape says, lot shape. Then a land counter. So what is actually the flatness or slope level of the land? Is it like it's a bending one, it has any bending, or it is straight likewise. Neighborhood, sorry, utilities. So utilities means it's about availability of utilities. Like it might be water facility, it might be gas facility, even it might be park that we do have nearby. So parking facilities we do have nearby, electricity facilities, gas access, so everything comes under this utilities. Then lot configuration. What is the position of the land in the neighborhood? Is it on the corner lot, or it is on the inside lot, or it's on the front lot? Then land slope. So how steep it is on the land? Is it on the down part, or it is on the top part of the land? So we did not invest so much while building a house. Then neighborhood. Name of the neighborhood where the house is located. Condition 1. It is about proximity to main road. How distance it is from, how much distance does it has from the main road, rail road, or other conditions near the house. Condition 2 is about, so it is about secondary nearby condition that is affecting the house. If it is very close to a railway station or something, the cost of the land or house might be less, because there are chances they might rebuild the railway station by taking out the house. So this might happen in the future. Then bulge type. It's about building type. So it might be a single family, or it might be for duplex family, it might be for townhouse or something. Then house style. It is about style of the house, one story, two story, split level. Again, this kind of data will be having under this. Overqual. It is about quality of the house. So specifically the materials that we used while constructing the house. Then overall condition. What is the overall condition of the house? Is it looking good? It is fully furnished or semi-furnished, or how it is actually looking like. Then year built. So when the house was actually built. Now if it is 2026, when the house was actually built. Year remote ad. So this is all about when the house was remodeled or renovated. If the house was actually built in 2000s, in 2010 it might be remodeled or renovated when it was done actually. Roof style. What is the style or design of the roof part? Then roof material. What kind of material they use for the roof? Maybe tiles, it might be wooden, or what else, whatever they could use. Then exterior first. What is the main exterior covering of the house? Is it a brick or vinyl or a wood? Exterior second. It's about secondary exterior covering of the house for safety purposes. What kind of material they used? Then this column is like it's a type of masonry one is used. So it is exactly like using bricks. Someone will be building their house. Some people might use stone. So that is how it differs. Then VNR area, mass VNR area, it's about what is the square feet when it comes to house. Then extra qual means for the exterior materials that we used, what is the quality of it right now. Then external condition, it is actually like condition of the exterior materials that we have used. What is the foundation? What kind of foundation that we have used for building the house on top of? If I am building a house on top of a basement, what is the quality or height of the basement? Then basement condition. What is actually the condition of the basement? Basement exposure. Whether the basement has walkout or got an exposure or it is interior, that is something that you need to understand next. Then basement fin type, which means it's about type of finished basement area. When it comes to basement area, is it completely finished when it comes to the works, the external work that should have done, or if it is partially done, that we need to examine. Then basement finish F1. It is about size of the first finished basement area. Then basement finish type 2. Type of second finished basement area. In that, when we have basement finish F2, it's about size of the second finished basement area. And when it is about basement UNFSF, it is like size of unfinished basement area. So see, these many columns you need to understand clearly. Only then you could move to solving a problem. Only then you will understand which columns I need to use for predicting it. Next column is total basement SF. It is about total basement size in square feet. Then the heating. Type of heating system used in the house. Heating QC. What is the quality and condition of the heating system? Central air. So whether the house has central air conditioning, central AC or not. Electrical. Type of electrical system that is installed already inside the house. First floor SF. Size of the first floor area. Second floor SF is about size of the second floor area. Low quality fin SF. Size of low quality finished area. So in my house, which part of the house is having low quality finishing? GR live area. It is about total size, about total above ground living area. Basement full bath. Number of full bathrooms in the basement. Basement half bath. Number of half bathrooms in the basement. Full bath means number of full bathrooms above ground. When I give half bath, it's about number of half bathrooms above ground. Bedroom above ground. It's about number of bedrooms above ground level. Kitchen above ground. It's about number of kitchens above ground. Kitchen quality. What is actually the quality of the kitchen? Total rooms above ground. Total number of rooms that is actually above ground. Without the bathrooms count. Functional, which means how functional the house layout is actually. Fireplaces. What is the number of fireplaces in the house? Fireplaces QU. It's about quality of the fireplace. Garage type. What is the location or type of garage? Is it attached or it is detached, etc. It might be anything. Garage year built. When actual garage of the house was built. Garage finish. Whether the garage interior is finished or it is partially finished. Garage cars. Number of cars that we can hold, we can keep it inside the garage area. Garage area, size of the garage area. Garage quality, it's about quality of the garage. Garage condition, it's about absolutely the condition of the garage. Paved area, it's about whether the driveway is paved or not. Wood deck SF, size of wooden deck area, it's about. Open patch SF, it's about size of open patch area. Enclosed patch, it's more about if it has enclosed patch area, what is the size of it. 3SSN patch, size of 3-season patch area. Screen patch is about size of screen patch area. Pool area, size of the swimming pool. Pool QZ, it's about quality of the pool. Fence, which means quality of fence around the property. Miss feature, it's about other special features. It might be like shed, tennis court. Do we have any of these inside our house? Misqual, it's about value of miscellaneous features. MOS sold, it's about month when the house was actually sold. Year sold, when was the house sold actually. Sale type of sale that actually happened. It might be normal sale, auction sale, it might be foreclosure, how it happened. Sale condition, what is the condition of the sale? Is it normal or partial or abnormal? And finally, the sale price. It's definitely about the final price at which the house was sold. It is actually going to be the target variable. This is what we are going to predict. This is how you need to clearly understand the meaning of every single columns before getting into next steps. So the next step could be seeing the null values, handling them. We'll be seeing them clearly in next video. Bye for now. We'll meet you next video. This is something that you need to take notes for now and clearly understand. Even if you have doubts or something, you can just do a research and add side notes additional to that. So next video, we'll be definitely seeing the further data cleaning process. So yeah.